We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to change your toner cartridge in an HP Color LaserJet Enterprise M553. So this specific printer, it takes the CF360 series. There's two types of cartridges with that series. There's the A, which is the low yield, which is just less ink, and then you have the X, which is the high yield with more ink. I always prefer the X because you get the more bang for your buck. So you open your front hatch, go ahead and you just pull it out, discard your old cartridge, unbox your new one, and then it kind of goes in there as a slant, so I like to put it down right here. Make sure this black tab goes in that little square spot. Then you just stick it in there. Once you hear it click, you know it's in there correctly. Shut your front hatch and you're good to go. If you guys are in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.